Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. If you're new, then welcome to this channel. Well, today I'm back with one more interesting concept. It's all about Python challenges. Well, this is a way I found to be able to help those who are learning Python to practice in a more challenging way, and that will create them the habit of looking for solutions. Like if you follow this Python challenges, every single day I'm gonna post at least one challenge. So if you guys follow this Python challenges, then at the time it will be really easy for you guys to learn something interesting about Python concepts, and you can challenge yourself and push yourself to solve that particular problem, and try to find a solution and try to optimize the code better than before. Okay, so this is something that can enhance your coding and even analytical skills or critical thinking skills when it comes to solving a problem. Especially in programming, we need definitely these kind of things, so it can improve your skills. And here, it's also a way I found so that people can interact more with each other. Like if you have any doubts, you can just, go to the comments and you can just post, or you can just drop your doubt over there. And I will definitely interact with you and I'll help you out with those challenging stuff, explaining them. I want you guys to know how to deal with these exercises. To practice these exercises in a more challenging and interactive and a funny way, in each video you will have a countdown timer, and the moment the timer starts, you will start solving the exercises, and you just have to complete that particular exercise within 15 minutes. I want you guys to know about the duration. The duration will depend upon the level of exercises. When the time is up, you will have to stop solving and check if your result is same with our result. And remember that the code doesn't have to be exactly the same, but the output does. You can optimize and you might code better than the code which is over there as a solution, right? The thing is the output which is matters. Okay, just try to cross check the solution and the output of that thing. If you have any questions about the exercise or about any topic or method used in these exercises, feel free to comment. That we will be in the comments to help clarify your doubts, explain what it is and what is it for. We will definitely help you out with those, doubts. The reason you have to do these exercises is this is the best way to learn anything and to practice and to exercise. We actually started these exercises for those who are from beginners to intermediates, or like who are familiar with Python, and I hope these exercises will definitely help you guys to improve your Python coding skills. And I'm actually expecting from you guys to challenge yourself and push yourself to solve the problems that we are actually giving you every single day. And happy coding! But here we have some set of rules to follow while cracking those exercises. The first one is start solving as soon as the video starts. When the time is up, you will see the solution. Okay? And do not try to see the solution without first solving the problem. Don't try to see the solution. Just try it yourself and try to solve it on your own. If you see the solution in the end, try to find a new way of how to implement the same solution using exact same time frame. When it comes to using Google, yes, you are free to use Google, because getting into habit of looking for a solution is very good. Don't look for solutions. Just use it to know what something is. For example, how to use lists in Python is a good way. Like if we are giving you an exercise, don't try to just go and Google it, the entire solution, and try to find that code. No, I don't want you guys to do that. If you're seeing a problem and you know that there we have to use in order to solve that particular problem, you can just go and Google it and see some examples like how the people are using and how the lists are exactly used in Python, and try to implement it here. I don't want you guys to go and check the entire logic in the Google. Just try it yourself, and if you do that, something like that, then I definitely tell you that you're not going to learn anything new on your own. I want you to push yourself harder and harder to solve a particular problem, and try to do it within 15 minutes. You can always follow me in Instagram, so that if you have any doubts, you can just give me a direct message over there, and I'll be active, and I'll help you out, if you have any doubts about programming. I hope you guys really enjoyed this thing. If you're really like the concept that we are actually implementing right now on YouTube, just go there and leave a like over there. And if you're new to this channel, then what are you waiting for? Just go there and tap the red button. We will be back with one more interesting concept. We will try to find a best way to to make you learn yourself better than before, to push yourself harder to learn something new. See you in the next video.